Now we are doing exercise 3.1, question number 2, Roman number 2. Roman number 2, question says yz, y plus z plus zx, z plus x plus xy plus xy, x plus y plus 2xyz. Okay, solution. Let me change the color. Solution. Okay, now it is 2xyz here. Okay, 2xyz here. So if only this much, then like before we can do like Roman number 1 if it was only this much, but here it is 2xyz. So we need to somehow we need to calculate this one also. So what we are going to do is multiply everything. Now y square z plus yz square, yz into y square z, yz into z, it will be yz square, plus zx into z, it will be z square x, plus zx into x, it will be zx square, plus xy into x, it will be x square y, plus xy into y, it will be xy square, plus 2xyz. Next, if look here, y square z, okay, this one okay, this one okay. If I take common out xy, and if I take z common out, okay, if I take, okay, let me take x common. So if I take x common out, let me arrange y square z plus yz square, this one, okay, don't write now. So zx square, I'm writing down this one here, plus x square y, and write down this one here. So x y square, this one here, plus 2xyz, okay, and this one write down at last, plus z square x. Okay, I'll tell you what am I going to do here. Y square z plus yz square plus zx square plus x square y. From these three, take x common. So if you take x common, it will be y square plus 2yz plus z square. So a square plus twice ab plus b square formula you can put here. So now this one, if I take common, so it will be yz, if I take common x square plus y square, and if from here if I take y common, it will be x plus y, and it is y plus z. Wait, so y square z plus yz square plus zx square plus x square y plus x into y square plus twice yz plus yz square, I can write down as y plus z whole square. Now we need to take y plus z common. Okay, what we need to take is y plus z common. So search here so that you can take y plus z common. So y square z, okay, y square z and yz square. From these two, okay, if you take yz out, okay, it will be z y plus z. I think we can write down y plus z. So if from these two, okay, let me use different color. From these two, this one and this one, if you take yz common, okay, it will be from here y plus from here it is z. Let me check. Okay, yz is taken out common, yz taken out common, it is y plus z. From these two, if you take x square common, it will be y plus z and plus x y plus z whole square. Now take y plus z common from everything. Y plus z is taken out common, so use this bracket. So it is y z. From here y plus z is taken out common. From here it is only x square because y plus z is taken out common, plus this is x into y plus z. Okay, y plus z. So from here yz plus x square plus x into y xy plus x into z xz. Right, now y plus z, yz and xy. Okay, and x square and xz. If you take y common, it will be z plus x. So y common from these two. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so if you take y common, it will be z plus x, and from this one and this one, if you take x common, only one x common, so here one x is left out, x plus from here x goes out, common already, so z is left. Okay, so let me put second bracket here. So I can write down this one, I can take the next page, but let me just write it down. Okay, so I can write down finally this one is y plus z from these two, z plus x is x plus z. You can take common and write down x plus z. If you take x plus z common, what's left out? X plus y, right? So you can arrange all these things, x plus y, y plus z, and x plus z, z plus x, you write down z plus x. Okay, it is plus, you can write down anything. So, and this is your solution. I hope you understood this much. Okay, I hope you can understand, and if there is any problem, please do write in the comment below. I will be there to help you.